Find k if xt equals and kb equals One of the things that I forgot to mention in the directions is all of these are medians. Okay? All of these are medians. And what a median does is it takes the midpoint of one side and connects it to the opposite angle. It doesn't mean that these are angle bisectors. It just means that these guys are the same. Now, is that what I have to do? I have to find KT. So this is even worse. KT is this line right here. And KB is this guy right here. The whole thing. Now, this is called a centroid. Doesn't really affect anything. I just wanted to call it a centroid. Now, what you do with medians is whatever the angle or the vertex is to the centroid, that's going to be 2/3 of the entire line. Okay, so KT is 2/3 of the entire line KB. Okay, so this is going to take a few minutes. KT is 6x plus 6 all over 5. That's going to equal 2/3 of 11 fifths x minus 6 over 5. Now, what I'm going to do to make my life a little bit easier is I'm going to combine these two. Is it necessary? No, but I'm going to combine these two. I have 6x plus 6 over 5. Nothing's changed there. 2/3, nothing's changed there. 11x minus 6 all over 5. 11x minus 6 all over 5, like so. Now, what I can do is I'm going to multiply 2/3. So 2 is going to be multiplied to everything there. 6x plus 6 over 5, still unchanged. That's going to equal 2 times 11, which is 22, the Taylor Swift special, minus 2 times 6, which is 12, all over 3 times 5, which is 15. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crisscross applesauce. That's why I combined things in the first place. I'm going to multiply 15 to 6x plus 6. 15 times 6 is 90, so that becomes 90x, and I'll write it up here, plus 90. I'm distributing 15 to both of these. 15 times 6x is 90x. 15 times 6 is 90, equals. I'm going to crisscross applesauce again. 5 times 22 is 110x. 5 times negative 12 is negative 60. And now I have variables on both sides of the equal sign. So why don't I subtract 110x from both? Minus 110x minus 110x. That gets me negative 20x plus 90 equals negative 60. Let's subtract 90. Let's subtract 90. And that gets me negative 20x equals negative 150. Divide both sides by negative 20. Divide both sides by negative 20. And x equals positive 7.5. Ooh. Not fun at all. But that's medians. They're just not fun.